Hi friends, welcome back again to TGC Technical Gyan Center. Today we are going to see shortcuts of Fanuc CNC machines. As during troubleshooting of Fanuc CNC machine, we require to clear some data for loading new data, for which it takes times and many of us don't know. So to clear some fundamental and to ease our work, I will be showing you top 9 shortcuts. So first, to begin with shortcut, I will give you overview of keys on MDI, that is manual data input keyboard. So now begin with our main topic, that is top 9 shortcuts of CNC machine. First is alarm 100 if you are getting on your CNC machine. Many of us while doing editing or program changing or parameter do change parameter write enable to 1, but after doing that parameter write enable to 1 we get continuous alarm 100. So to reset this alarm there is one shortcut, that is press reset and cancel button simultaneously to reset alarm from the screen, and when your work is done change parameter write enable to 0. Second shortcut is how to clear ladder. If your machine you are facing some problem with ladder and you want to clear old ladder to load new ladder, just power off your machine with NC off button. Now press both soft key O plus X and press NC on button. Your ladder will be removed and cleared from your system. Third shortcut is how to clear PMC parameters. If you are facing some problem with some timers, counters or keep relay, you need to clear the data. Just turn off your machine with power off button and press both O plus Z soft key with NC on button. This will clear all PMC parameters. Now you are all set to load new parameters. Fourth shortcut is how to delete program which is having password. Many times if some program gets corrupted and cannot be edited or deleted, for that you need to simply power off your machine with NC off button and press both O plus M soft key with NC on button. Your all program will be cleared from your system. Fifth shortcut is how to clear your system all data. Now if your machine entire data got corrupted and you need to sure all data is clear from your system once, you need to power off your CNC machine and now press reset plus delete button with NC on button. This will clear your all data in your Fanuc system. Now you can load new data in your system. Sixth shortcut is how to stop ladder startup. During this is very important and critical shortcut for you. Imagine if you want to edit some parameters and you have forgotten the password of the ladder, then what you have to do? Just power off your machine and now press cancel plus Z button with NC on button. This will stop your CNC ladder startup process, and now you can change any parameter. After changing parameter, just turn off your CNC machine and turn it on again. Now ladder will boot with the changes which you have made on system. Seventh shortcut is how to start your CNC without C language executor. For this, power off your CNC machine and now press both soft key M plus O and press NC on button. This will stop your C language executor. Eighth shortcut is how to clear only parameters of your CNC system. Sometimes by mistake some of parameters got changed by someone and you don't know what changes he has made. So to clear all parameters of your machine, just make parameter write enable to 1 and power off your machine. Then press reset button and NC on your machine. It will clear your all parameters. Now you are all set to load new parameter file. Ninth shortcut is how to clear program of your Fanuc system. Just turn on parameter write enable and switch off your CNC machine. Then press NC on button while pressing delete soft key in MDI board. Your program will be cleared from your system. One more very important thing, friends. Use these shortcuts if you are trained and you want to do troubleshooting on your machine. Hope friends you like video. If yes, please do share and subscribe. We will be sharing more knowledgeable videos. This is your friend signing out from TGC Technical Gyan Center. Goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.